Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday, October 2nd, 2025. It's Greg R. Baird of Gregor Speaks. Nice to see you. It's also the very beginning of LGBTQ+ History Month. And you may want to know some information here. I'm going to give you a lot of stuff today because October is the time. Yes, we're still celebrating LGBTQ+ pride, our history, sharing our stories, sharing our authentic selves, and be resilient right now because we need to do that more than ever with everything that's going on in our government and the world around us. We need to rally around together, bring our neighbors in, our friends, our loved ones, and our allies are one of our biggest supporters. So make sure that you include everybody. LGBTQ+ History Month began in October of 1994. It was founded by a Missouri high school history teacher by the name of Rodney Wilson. And he thought that all history should be taught, not just the straight history. So we're talking about all our histories, which is extremely important, and we're still doing that. I know it doesn't feel like it right now, or maybe some of you are feeling really defeated in what's going on. I get you. I get what's going on. But we need to be resilient, be with our neighbors, our loved ones, our allies, and everything, and stand up and be loud and proud. This month brings a lot of things with it, some great, some that we remember. So get your calendars out right now because I'm going to give you a few dates. Are you ready? So, October 11th is National Coming Out Day, and yes, it's still important. And as a gay man, I can tell you, you don't just come out once, and a lot of us will agree with that. And those of us that are queer, you come out more than once. So, October 11th is National Coming Out Day. And incidentally, I don't know if you knew this, but LGBTQ+ History Month is this not just a thing in the United States, but it's celebrated in other countries as well. Australia, Germany, Canada, just to name a few, Italy. So I think that's fantastic. The more the merrier, right? And the more that we have our support. So yes, let's go back to this. So October 11th, LGBTQ+ History Month. I couldn't say that any faster, could I? And Spirit Day is on October 16th. And let's not forget, starting the beginning of next week for a whole week, I always do the timeline of when Matthew Shepard was murdered on the fence in Laramie, Wyoming, because I think it's really important that we still talk about it. It's going to be 27 years on October 12th. Here's a picture of him when he passed away on October 12th, 27 years ago, from injuries sustained from being beat on the fence in Laramie, Wyoming. And look up the Matthew Shepard Foundation. They're still doing great work in bringing communities, our communities, all communities together. And it's very important. So celebrate, educate yourselves on a lot of people that are doing a lot of great work in our communities. One of those people I want to mention right here in the city of Chicago is Victor Salvo and his board of the Legacy Project. They're going to be installing or doing an installation of a new plaque on our outdoor walk, which is on Halstead Street here in East Lakeview in Chicago. And they do a new plaque every year, and that's going to be installed on October 11th, Coming Out Day this year. So check that out. Look for the Legacy Project online, and you can get all the details on that. So that's what's going on. Busy month. Hopefully some more busy lectures. You know, it's I feel like I'm going against the grain with everything right now because of all the disruption going on in our government. So anyway, if you're looking for a speaker this month, I got a lot of dates left. GregRBaird.com. Look me up. I got some great stuff to talk about to bring your company, corporation, event, college, university, all of the above together so we can engage and have conversations and leave feeling like we're validated and we have some hope. And that's what it's all about, right? Correct. I will see you on Monday. Subscribe, like, and share. Have a great weekend. I'm going to be busy. Are you going to be busy? It's beautiful out. Get out, enjoy the weather, enjoy your friends, rise up, and I will see you on Monday. Take care.